guys, hope you're well. Anthony here again. So we are here at the Magic Hong Kong office. So if you'd like to follow me through, I'd like to show you briefly around what this office looks like. Okay? And you can see here on the right, you have a few display of various different machines. Everything from the Junior, the SD5A1, the Super, the K8, and various accessories. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got a few machines hooked up. So we've got the SD5A1, another 5A1, and the Super at the far end over there. As you can notice here in Asia, all the various machines here are all connected to a pre-filter. And so these pre-filters are predominant you can find over in Asia, whereas in Europe you will find a separate set of pre-filters. So very easy to install. It literally just takes 5 minutes to cut up and then plug into your tap. Okay, and they show you over here too a very good examples of some of the taps that are compatible with our machines. So all our machines come with various diverters like this. So it was telling you that if you have one of these taps over here, it should be compatible. Okay. And over here on the far end, also here on the board, you'll see some of the top leaders over in Asia. And over here, laminated on the board, you have some of the various certificates, everything from WQA for the Water Quality Association, environmental control, medical certification, okay, which certifies us as medical equipment. Okay. And in case some of you have not seen, this is the Super. So it gives you a comparison, it gives you an idea and perspective in size, how much bigger this is. So it's about twice the size as the SD5A1, because this has 12 titanium plates inside. And then finally over here, you have the shower unit connected. So we can show the clients over here how easy these are to install. All right. And you can see, just pan around over here. You've got a demo. You have a live demo over there. A live Kangen demo. These are some of our orders. The guy who's holding the camera, Honk, okay, managed to make 2 successful K8 sales, and we'll be delivering these to our clients in Guangdong in China tonight, and help them show them how to use it and show them the business plan. So yes, we'll keep you guys posted on that one. But if you come through over here in this room, but this is the training centre over there. You can see holding a live demo. Anthony here again. So today we are here in China in Dongguan, and we are at a factory. It's a footwear factory, and one of our clients here has just purchased a couple of K8. So why don't you just come through and I'll just show you around. We've got the production, the footwear factory production happening downstairs, and I have my friend over here, John Cox, all the way from the UK, right? And he's about to present a Kangen demo. So the factory owners, particularly, very interested in healthy water, and for the owners of the factory, obviously they're very concerned about productivity, efficiency.
safe. Acid, then you're going to jump to here. That is over 100 times more alkaline. So if you just start drinking 9.5 straight away, what happens is your body detoxes too fast. So they know it's Kangen water, you know, so they know. Because then that means your water company, you don't have to buy this water anymore. You have the machine already, you can make the water. The other thing as well is the water.
Yeah.
Take a while for this is now tap water, right? So anything plus 100, plus 200, plus 300, it does nothing. Like Coca-Cola plus 200, plus 300, bottled water.
The way you shine make the stars align all the time. Listen to the sound. The way you play makes the world go round.
You know, because you have the machine. Like when we went there, you try and you find places and you say, hey, can I have some water? You can fill up water. You know, if you go to the States, you can go to the office in the States and get free water. Anywhere you go, you just get. So now that's on, but now you're going to listen, because now that's actually on 2.5, right? So now it's filling to reduce the water flow, because 2.5, so this is now cleaning, see? Now if you go from acid water, strong acidic, 2.5 to drinking, it tell you, hold on, it's first cleaning. Now flush quickly the 2.5 out, so you won't drink it, you see? So that's what I say, just listen to what it says. And then once it flushes this system, it'll say, okay, 9.5. This one is more popular in China because it speaks 8 languages and it's dual voltage.
Come alive, you can be what you want.